Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notification on Twitter. So let's get into it. First of all, open Twitter. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Now tap on Notifications. Then tap Preferences. Tap Push Notifications and select which types of notifications you would like to receive. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.